Yeah. So, see the today I'm having a complete diet. It's called sunlight, fresh air, good vibes, and mango. I'm out here with the fruit trees. Look on the ground. Look on the ground. Look up in the tree now. Yes, it's mangoes all around. Yes, mangoes is everywhere on the ground. Yeah, you see? You see the mangoes? Woo! Yes. Yes, my beautiful emeralds. They are lying when they said that you're hungry. How can you hungry when fruit are here all about? Yes. So, let me see what I have in my bag here. Wow. All goodies. Wow. Goodies. Yeah. This one is mellow. Oh, it has a worm spot. Oh, I understand. Worms have to live also. Yeah. So I can share a mango with a worm. That is not so bad. I see a ripe one. I'm just gonna use a mango to pick a mango. I'm not really good at chewing mango. But I use a mango. You see that one that I'm trying to pick? Oh, you cannot see. That one is mellow, but my people, you cannot be in fruitfuls and being hungry. There are some parts of the world that does not have a mango tree because they control you with a systematic approach as a consumerism where you have to buy everything in your supermarket or your Walmart. But I gotta let you know that if you watch the cartoon Avatar, you will understand that the best elements and food for the body is fresh air, sunlight, fresh water, which is alkaline water, a peace of mind, and spiritual oneness. When you go outside and can meditate and listen to the elements of the earth. So today I'm out here with what? All these elements. Hear the birds chirping, the goats crying, making noise. You hear that? That's a Jamaican doctor bird. You understand? So it's an healthy morning, and I call this soul food. Yes, don't tell me that this is not food. This is real food. So big up on a rat itself, man. Yes, yes. And this video can serve for many purposes. You understand? This can be added to my Fun Food Factory day 7 because I have a 7-day vegan challenge. And also this video can be on my Motivational Channel because guess what? This is food motivation. This is soul food. So have a super fantastic day. Big up on a rat itself, man. And knowledge out here. Whole positive energy. Hold them here, hold them here, hold them here. Take them here, take them here, take them here. Good vibes. What do you man? Prosperity, divine being, sovereignty, indigenous tribe, Israelites, Hebrews. I give you what? Positive vibes. Big up on yourself.